welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a vlog, finally. We are actually on our way to Biltmore, which is one of the biggest, I actually think it is the biggest house in the US. So we're going to Asheville. Andrew's here, my sister's there. She arrived from Romania one day late. They missed one plane, so they had to sleep in the airport after 2 or 3 days of no sleep. But they made it here, and now we are driving about 5 hours till we get there. So I thought it would be fun to vlog. We had a great start, left, came back because we forgot the sunglasses and perfume and a few other things. So now we're gonna go pick up some coffee, some breakfast to go, and we're gonna be on our way. Who's that handsome fella over there? Did you bring our goodies?
Yes.
Yum. That's the food. Okay. And that looks so good.
It's cold.
Yes. These. And then
I just put in like orders.
there we go.
One back here. Can you move that?
Una tia, una mia, una lu. Thank you. Okay, and that's my mocha. I'm the most boring one of them all. Thank you.
Probably the most delicious though.
Alright, I got a rosemary biscuit that has eggs and the spicy sauce. It's super good. That is a cold brew with whipped cream and some caramel and some yummies. And I have a mocha right here. We have arrived in Asheville and we're here eating at a restaurant, and I'll show you the food. Alright, so I got a salad. The cornbread was amazing. Matilda has shrimp and grits, and Andrew has pasta.
Chicken shrimp pasta.
Chicken shrimp pasta. We are here at Biltmore. That's the house. And it is almost 10 o'clock at night, so we're doing the candlelight service, or I mean like tour. And we're excited. It's so pretty. We're coming back in the morning to do the gardens and everything because it's so dark you can't really see much, but hopefully inside it will be super nice. We've done this before when we got married. So now we're gonna do the candlelight Christmas one. It is the next day. We went to Biltmore yesterday and it was really pretty. We went to wine tasting and I kind of had an empty stomach, and that was fun. I definitely got a little tipsy, but by the time we went back in the house, I was fine, so I could really enjoy it. But it was really pretty. It was decorated for Christmas. There were lights. I'll show you guys a footage, clips. It was really pretty. But now we are leaving the hotel. We're in the hotel room right now. And I'll show you guys kind of what I did. I already did my makeup, so I'll show you guys real quick what I used. So I brought it all in this Merit bag. I packed quite a lot. I was hoping I could record this here, but I'm gonna have to record tonight because I forgot our checkout is at 11. So I did these two foundations, of course. Actually forgot a concealer. My sister had this one and it worked great. Then brows are kind of basic. This, and actually used the M Cosmetics. Contour, it's the Westman Atelier. The powder we have is the Pat McGrath because it was able to fit in here. Then the eyes, what's the eyes? Right here. This is what I used for the eyes. I just kind of did those two colors all over. I also took a black liner and smudged it on my lower lash line. And the thing that I tried, it's new, let me try to open it here. Oh, this is the wrong one. This is not the one. Here, this one. Let me open it. This one. So I got the Peau Rose, and you know, some people said it had glitter, and it has a tiny bit. I saw like 2 speckles on my cheek, but it was fine. Like, it was really pretty. I'll show you guys. So this is how it looks on the cheeks, and look how pretty that looks. I don't see actual glitter in person. Maybe there was a speck right here that my sister saw as well, but overall it looks really, really beautiful. I also used the gloss from them. I try to get a full face, and I didn't have anything for the lips, so I thought, let's just get the gloss. So I got this gloss from them. This is the Nunu. I wanted a different one, but it was sold out. But it's really juicy and plumping. It makes my lips look bigger, but it was expensive. And then what else? That's kind of it. I used the Victoria Beckham bronzer. The blush I used is this one right here. This is the Victoria Beckham, and I think it's really pretty. I think in the beginning it was a little bit stiffer to blend, and now it's getting better, and I like it. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, so I have some mom jeans on. They're from Madewell. I have my boots on because we're gonna walk quite a bit today. And then I have a white top, and then this is from Aritzia, and it's the first time I'm wearing it. I think it's pretty, it's kind of cool, and that's about it. That's the outfit. And then I have a big coat because it's like 38 degrees right now. So we're gonna go get breakfast, and then we're gonna go to Biltmore and walk some more, see the gardens, and then we're gonna probably head home to the kids. We miss them. Hello?
Getting on the elevator.
Is this good light for my makeup? No, it's too intense.
It's too intense?
Yeah. It's an orange heart. What is it? Caramel one. You got a latte. I got a mocha. Cortado. Sorry.
Sugar.
It's so good. How's it yours?
I haven't tried it yet. We're taking pictures of it.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna run my vlog. Depois eu com o café. Tá imediato. This is so good.
Do you need to, like,
Do you trust me?
do you have ones in my
No.
So good. How is it? I'm gonna taste that one.
It's really
Definitely. What is it?
Rosemary.
Rosemary, that was it.
Oh, and it has sugar on it.
Nice. Yours is really good.
It's nice because it's not too sweet. I wonder if you could just eat that. Very good. Have a sip. Okay, we finished at the coffee shop. It was so good, right?
Yep.
It was vibey. And now we're going to go have breakfast, even though we just ate a scone.
It was an appetizer.
It's an appetizer. And this is downtown Asheville. Kind of reminds me of the little town that we live in, just a little bit. It's more mountainy. But yeah, we're gonna go eat, then we're gonna go walk the gardens at Biltmore. It's kind of cold though, so we'll see how that goes. And then there's an outlet that I'm gonna go look for some furniture for the girls' bedroom. So there's a West Elm outlet. There is a Restoration Hardware and the Crate and Barrel outlet. So we're gonna do that after. So I'm hoping there's like nice breakfast and hopefully it's not packed. And that's the plan for the rest of the day. So pretty. I love it.
We'll share.
There's enough bedroom for all of us. So, like you can see all the mountains.
I mean, I can understand. It's like, unless you're here, it's so hard to get a sense of the
How pretty it is.
size.
You should go from up there and get like.
Here's the.
Great at it. All right, I'm in heaven right now.
She was so excited at the counter. She was like jumping up and down.
If you guys don't know, I have the biggest sweet tooth and I absolutely love it so much. So look what we got.
Eclair.
And
Mini
this
eclair.
is the petite. There was like one that was absolutely huge. I may take it to go. This is an apple something, and that's espresso. Oh, I'm so excited. And then that's boring. Food.
And coffee.
And coffee. Must. Black coffee for the dessert. Oh, so excited. So we are on our way back home. We stopped at the outlet, got some furniture, and we are Chick-fil-A. We have 3 more hours till we get home. And
what are you gonna do when you
that's
get
about
home?
it. I'm gonna record. I'm gonna record the Natasha Denona to hopefully edit it tonight and get it out in the morning. The new mini Biba palette. So that's my plan for today. It's been a full couple days.
Yeah.
It's been very full. We're gonna be so tired. And then Christmas is in a few days. And we have lots to do tomorrow. Like get my nails done. Important stuff, return a bunch of stuff, and
Thankfully I'm not working.
and going to the dentist. Yeah. Lots of things. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Well, good morning. It is the next day, and I realized that I didn't finish the vlog yesterday. So I thought I would just finish it off now. We arrived yesterday around 11 o'clock, well, 10:30. Not too bad, but I think we walked all day, so we were so tired. We had to unload some furniture that we got, and so it became very late. I'm on my way to the salon to get my nails done, like to the nail salon. And I'm gonna go to swap my phone. I'm swapping it to the 13. Just the camera, the front camera seems to be better. So I'm gonna do that today. Then I need to go cook. We have some friends coming over. I do want to record today. I wanted to record yesterday, but it was just too late. We were tired. So I'm hoping I can record that today and have it out, edited. We got like kind of a recliner chair which is like next to our bed. And I'm really excited because it's so comfortable, and I think I can sit there and edit videos, and I think it's just going to be a nice inviting place. So I'm excited about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't know when it's gonna go live, but we'll see. I hope it was entertaining. We had fun, obviously, at Biltmore. There's just so much to see. And I hope you will enjoy it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.